Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You cut me off.
Let's take an ad break while I hop into Final Draft and add that to RIPD. It's a new year, and if I had just one resolution this year, it would...
It's my mom. Sherry's like, not my mom, Sherry, but what is this guy?
What the hell? It's a green turn signal. Is this guy an idiot? Is this car stalled? I think they're stalled. Come on.
Jesus Christ.
Here's Keith Morrison with...
What are you doing?
Couldn't talk.
You, what the fuck?
Glenmore Trail is so east over the reservoir, approaching 14th Street, last of the volume.
Can I just say something?
Show your face. Let's see.
I show my face all the time. I just don't feel like it right now.
Show your face. You're scared.
First time in my space. Freely, people, you tell him I'm
here.
She was talking about she wanted to try it when they had a pizza right now. We never did it. Because, you know, I don't trust her in her mouth until she actually has it on her tongue. Braces, and she absolutely refuses to brush after lunch, and I'm still trying to figure out why. Oh wait, mama, this truck, I got another idiot, and I got another idiot.
Oh shit!
Bumbaclot!
Oh, that's a keeper.
Video protected.
Baby want a birthday. She's been telling me I'm wrong.
But the template is right there.
Yeah,
First
well, you do it.
You run reruns until commercial money comes in.
People, you just don't get it.
Eyes. Get the horn, asshole. Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.